All right, what's up, everybody? So I have been contemplating and fighting with myself regarding where we're at, where Bitcoin is at, where the market's at. Okay. Are we in a bear market? Are we in the fourth quarter of the bull market? Where are we right now? Okay. I don't really think we're going to be able to know for sure where we're at, but we can go off of some fibs and some time and try and get an assumption as to what Bitcoin is currently doing right now. Okay, so let me get rid of that line there. So on the index chart here, from the top, okay, from the top to the bottom, we pulled our fibs. We have the golden pocket and the 786 here, okay. Rejected off the golden pocket, kind of went up a little bit above the 0.65 fib. No problem, no big deal. 2021, okay, top, bottom, same thing, went up just above the 0.65 fib. Okay. However, what we did here is we came back down to this 200 moving average on the daily, and we toyed around with it here for a little while. Okay, and I'm gonna get to the indicators here shortly, but 0.65 back down here to the 200 moving average. Could we do that here? Very much so. Very much so. So there's a case to be made that we have a little bit more to go. Okay, we got a little more of a pullback here. Okay, come down to around 200 moving average, where I believe currently that's around 86K. Now, my case for we're more bullish than we are bearish is simply because I should turn off my magnet here because it's going to be in the way. $382. Okay, $382. Now let's go back to our previous bull market. Okay, the historic one all the way up to 19.9, 19.8, whatever, on the index. Now we only had one bull run here. Boom. Not like 2021 where we, up, down, back up again. Here, from the top to the bottom, 382. Okay, and then down again. So what I'm saying is, we didn't hit the 382 like we did here. Okay, we came up to the golden pocket and rejected. Now, I would have really liked to see more of a dump like this here, but it's weekend. We came up and hit the golden pocket on a Friday. So we were pretty much in weekend volume. Okay. So what's a definite possibility is we make our way back up, and I believe we got a 12-hour order block just above that. Yeah. We could make our way up, tap this 98.3 area. There's a daily naked point of control right at 98.3. And then so we make one more push up, and then that's when we fall back down. Retrace wise, currently where we are is, like I said, 86K. Now when it gets back down here, we could make our way, maybe up to 86.5, something like that, but that'll be my area for a long, to possibly come up to all-time highs again. So I don't think we are I don't think we're in a bear market just yet. Just going off of what I'm seeing here and what I'm seeing here, okay? And then what we did here. When we're in a bear market, we're bearish. We barely get up above the 382 fib, okay? That's it. Now, what did we do? I didn't go back and check out any of these here, okay? Bitcoin was super new. And, you know, I just don't think the data is going to help me. You know, here we did the golden pocket and then died, okay? So there is another instance, 2013, 2014, where we did hit the golden pocket. Not really helping my case, but the most recent 382 bear market, last bull market, 382, see ya. So it's kind of lining up and correlating more with what we got going on here, okay? That's what I think is going on. Now if we put the indicators on and we take a look at Market Cipher, you can see that currently the daily's looking good, money flow's coming up. Can't get any better than that. Here, money flow's coming up. We do have a red dot point printing. Okay, we do have a red dot printing. If it confirms, then maybe that's when we see our dump down. Or we kind of head back up. Sunday, we head back up a little bit, Monday, and then dump. But we'll have to see what happens. But I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical simply because of this right here. Simply because of that. So let's go back and take a look at Market Cipher here. Yeah, money flow's already coming out. Dunzo back then. So we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens and go from there. But I just wanted to throw that out, and I don't really see many people talking about this area here, okay? So macro wise, let's see what happens. We're gonna get a pullback down to 86K area, which would be nice. 86K, 110, 115, 120, whatever. We'll have to see. All right. See you soon.